I used to think any spatula would do until a cheap plastic one literally melted into my family's dinner. That ruined meal sent me down a rabbit hole trying to find truly non-toxic, safe cooking utensils. But navigating the endless sea of silicone, wood, and steel is overwhelming. You end up with cracked handles, stained silicone, and scratch pans. I've spent months testing the most popular options on the market to save you the headache. Today, we are counting down the top 7 non-toxic utensil sets to find the one that will completely transform your daily cooking. 7. OXO Good Grips 3-piece wooden utensil set. When you first unbox this set, you get a classic traditional feel that many home cooks appreciate. The set includes a large spoon, a turner, and a slotted spoon, all crafted from solid beechwood. Wood is naturally non-toxic and has been a staple in kitchens for centuries, so I was eager to see how this modern take on a classic material would perform during my daily meal preparations. The immediate standout feature is the handle design. OXO is known for its ergonomic approach, and these wooden tools feature a signature grip that feels quite comfortable when you first pick them up. However, the reality of using them over a hot, boiling pot quickly brings some frustrating realities to light. The wood finish, while initially smooth, begins to show its weaknesses almost immediately after just a few rigorous cooking sessions, making the comfortable grip feel a bit compromised as the material weathers. The most glaring drawback I experience with this set is how incredibly fast the wood stains and absorbs odors. During my testing, I prepared a standard tomato basil sauce, and the large wooden spoon turned permanently orange, retaining a faint garlic smell that I simply could not wash out. Furthermore, they demand constant maintenance, requiring careful hand washing and frequent oiling to prevent the wood from drying out. If you accidentally leave them soaking in a sink full of soapy water, the beechwood swells and the smooth finish degrades rapidly, leaving you with rough, splintery edges. When it comes to actual performance in the pan, they do offer the benefit of being completely safe for all non-stick surfaces, ensuring you won't scratch up your expensive cookware. 6. Umite Chef 33-piece silicone cooking utensils set with wooden handles. This collection promises absolutely everything you could ever need, and unboxing it truly felt like outfitting an entire commercial kitchen from scratch. It includes every imaginable spatula, whisk, slotted spoon, tong, and basting brush, combining food-grade, brightly colored silicone heads with natural wooden handles. For someone looking to fill empty kitchen drawers in one single purchase, the sheer volume of tools provided here is undeniably impressive. The non-toxic silicone heads are definitely a step up in terms of modern heat resistance and safety. Rated to handle temperatures up to 446 degrees Fahrenheit, I felt completely confident leaving the deep soup ladle resting inside a simmering stew without worrying about any chemical leaching, melting, or toxic fumes. The silicone material is wonderfully soft and pliable, making it incredibly gentle on all types of delicate non-stick cookware, ensuring your pots and pans remain completely scratch-free even with vigorous scraping. However, using this massive set day in and day out quickly revealed some major structural flaws that are hard to ignore. The primary issue lies at the connection point between the flexible silicone head and the rigid wooden handle, which is notoriously weak and poorly secured. While I was mixing a particularly dense and heavy batch of chocolate chip cookie dough, the structural integrity failed completely, and the silicone spatula head literally popped right off the handle and got stuck in the bowl. Furthermore, the wooden handles themselves are not properly sealed against moisture, meaning they warp, fade, and splinter easily if you accidentally run them through the dishwasher. Water also has a terrible tendency to get trapped inside that loose connection joint between the wood and the silicone. 5. D'Oro Seamless Series Silicone Spatula Set. This 3-piece collection instantly solved the frustrating cleaning nightmares I experienced with 2-piece utensils. It features a completely seamless, 1-piece silicone design, meaning there are absolutely no cracks, crevices, or removable heads where food particles and harmful bacteria can hide. It provides a profound sense of cleanliness and hygiene that is essential for a non-toxic kitchen environment. The materials used here are outstanding. Oro utilizes medical-grade, BPA-free silicone that is exceptionally high quality and heat-resistant up to a staggering 600 degrees Fahrenheit. I was able to use the large spatula for high-heat stovetop searing and heavy folding without seeing the slightest hint of degradation, melting, or warping on the edges. It gives you incredible peace of mind knowing that absolutely no toxins are leaching into your family's food, even when you're pushing the temperature limits of your cookware. In terms of daily performance, the internal stainless steel core hidden beneath the silicone provides the absolute perfect balance of rigidity and flexibility. You get a firm, strong spine that allows you to easily scrape heavy, thick batters out of a mixing bowl, while the flexible, tapered edges contour beautifully to the curved sides of your pots and skillets. I found myself reaching for the spatula constantly, as its slightly cupped design makes it perfect for scooping, tasting, and serving directly from the pan to the plate. The velvety matte finish on the exterior of the silicone provides a remarkably secure, non-slip grip, even when your hands are wet from washing vegetables or greasy from cooking oils. Best of all, because of the seamless design and high heat tolerance, they are entirely dishwasher safe and will not fade, warp, or stain, even after stirring turmeric-heavy curries or rich tomato pastes. 4. OXO Good Grips 15-piece everyday kitchen utensil set. If you're looking to completely overhaul your kitchen organization with a highly reliable, cohesive collection, this set is a phenomenal choice. Unlike the overwhelming and often redundant 33-piece sets on the market, this collection is carefully curated to include only the essential tools you will actually reach for daily. It brilliantly combines durable, non-toxic nylon, heat-resistant silicone, and heavy-duty stainless steel into one incredibly versatile package. The non-toxic nylon and silicone pieces included in this set are fantastic for protecting the delicate coatings of your nonstick skillets and ceramic pots. During my extensive testing, the flexible nylon turner became an instant favorite in my household. It is perfectly angled and thin enough to effortlessly glide under delicate fish fillets and fluffy pancakes, flipping them flawlessly without leaving a single scratch on the pan surface. The high heat resistance of the nylon ensures the edges don't melt or fray, maintaining their precise shape over months of heavy use. What truly elevates this set above the competition is the signature OXO ergonomic design philosophy applied to every single piece. Every handle features their patented, thick, non-slip grip that actively absorbs pressure as you work. This makes physically demanding kitchen tasks, like mashing a large pot of potatoes or vigorously whisking a dense vinaigrette, incredibly comfortable. Even during marathon holiday cooking sessions where I was on my feet stirring for hours, my hands and wrists never felt the usual fatigue or cramping. I also deeply appreciate that the solid stainless steel tools included in this set, particularly the heavy-duty tongs and the razor-sharp peeler, are built like absolute tanks and designed to last a lifetime. The entire 15-piece collection is completely dishwasher safe, making your post-dinner cleanup an absolute breeze. 3. All-Clad Professional Stainless Steel Tool Set. For those home chefs who cook primarily with heavy-duty cast iron, carbon steel, or uncoated stainless steel cookware, you simply cannot beat the sheer, uncompromising durability of this set. This is the ultimate non-toxic option because it is constructed entirely from solid, heavy-gauge, 18-tenths stainless steel, completely eliminating any lingering concerns about melting plastics, degrading silicone, or hidden chemical coatings. Holding these utensils in your hands immediately conveys a profound sense of professional, commercial kitchen quality. They feature a brilliant, mirror-polished finish and possess a substantial, perfectly balanced weight that makes cheaper plastic tools feel like fragile toys by comparison. I used the solid steel spoon and the slotted turner extensively during my testing, and they provided unparalleled leverage for aggressively scraping up caramelized fond from the bottom of a roasting pan to make incredibly rich, flavorful gravies. The ergonomic handles are surprisingly comfortable despite being forged from solid metal. They feature a brilliantly designed grooved channel along the top that provides a secure, natural resting place for your thumb, giving you total control. You can exert a massive amount of downward force when breaking up tough ground meat in a skillet or lifting heavy portions of a baked casserole without the tool bending, flexing, or buckling even a millimeter. They are practically indestructible and clearly engineered to withstand decades of rigorous daily use. While you obviously wouldn't want to drag these heavy steel tools across a delicate Teflon-coated pan, they're the absolute best and most reliable companions for your heavy-duty, uncoated cookware. They are completely impervious to deep staining, rust, and the highest stovetop heat you can throw at them, and they emerge from the dishwasher looking sparkling and brand new every single time. 2. Le Creuset Craft Series, a 5-piece silicone utensil set. If you are searching for the absolute perfect marriage of gorgeous aesthetic design and flawless non-toxic functionality, this is the set to beat. It includes a beautiful, heavyweight stoneware crock that instantly adds a touch of classic culinary elegance to your kitchen counter, holding 4 masterfully crafted silicone tools that perform just as beautifully as they look. The premium, food-safe silicone used by Le Creuset is truly in a league of its own, capable of withstanding blistering stovetop temperatures up to 482 degrees Fahrenheit without batting an eye. The blade design of the spatula strikes an absolute perfect balance for the home cook. They feature one firm, straight edge for breaking up dense ingredients and aggressively scraping the bottom of a pot, alongside a flexible, curved edge that perfectly contours to the shape of mixing bowls, allowing you to scrape every last drop of batter cleanly and effortlessly. The handles are crafted from smooth, premium wood that feels remarkably warm and incredibly comfortable in the hand. They provide a secure, natural grip and feature carefully carved grip rings near the base of the head. These rings give you excellent tactile control during precision cooking tasks, like gently folding delicate egg whites into a soufflé or smoothly icing a layer cake. The exceptional level of craftsmanship is immediately evident the very moment you pick them up to start cooking. One of the most uniquely brilliant standout features of this set is that the silicone heads are fully removable for deep, sanitary cleaning. Unlike cheaper 2-piece models that trap moisture by accident, these heads pop off intentionally and easily. 1. Our Place Daily Utensils. If you're at all familiar with the massive viral success of the Always Pan by Our Place, you already know that this brand profoundly excels at creating multifunctional, non-toxic kitchenware that challenges traditional design. These specific utensils are brilliantly engineered to be the only 3 tools you will ever realistically need, designed to perfectly complement high-quality ceramic non-stick cookware while drastically reducing kitchen clutter. This beautifully minimalist, streamlined set includes a versatile flipping spatula, a deep solid spoon, and a highly functional slotted spatula, all constructed from ultra-durable, premium food-grade materials that are entirely free of toxic chemicals. What completely blew me away during my hands-on testing was the proprietary, problem-solving design. The handles are perfectly weighted and ergonomically contoured for a natural grip. But the true genius of this set lies in the brilliantly integrated spoon rests built directly into the tools themselves. Each handle features a small, carefully designed notch near the neck that allows the dirty utensil to rest securely and perfectly balanced directly on the rim of your cooking pan. This ingenious resting feature means you no longer have to deal with messy, sauce-covered drips ruining your clean countertops, and you completely eliminate the need for a separate, bulky spoon rest taking up valuable workspace. The heads of the utensils are crafted to be firm enough to easily chop through dense ground meats directly in the skillet, yet gentle and smooth enough to perfectly preserve the delicate non-toxic coating of your favorite and most expensive cookware. The aesthetic is modern, sleek, and absolutely beautiful, coming in a variety of gorgeous, earth-tone colors that perfectly match their iconic cookware line to create a cohesive kitchen look.